Hey everybody, and welcome back to my show, starring me, Shay Baby. And today I'm going to be talking about a father who finds a man in the act of raping his 5-year-old daughter and beats him to death. Yeah, that's right, a 5-year-old little girl. And the father actually caught this happening on his father's farm. And he's going to get him to do it. He's going to get him to do it.
No, I told you you were tomorrow.
So the sex offender, his name was Jesus Flores. He was 47. I don't know how you can be a rapist and your name is Jesus. You know, have a mind like that. And the man that was caught in the act of the crime, his name was Jesus Flores. He was a 47-year-old man. And you know, he had kind of a sick mind for his name to be Jesus or whatever. And they say that it happened on somewhere on the barn. Apparently, the little girl was going out to feed the chickens with her older brother, and the Jesus he snatched the little girl up from beside her brother or whatever, and obviously the little boy ran and told his father. He heard his sister screaming. He ran, got his father, and when the father came on the scene, he didn't see his daughter, but he heard her scream, and he followed the screams, and as he followed the scream, I guess he walked upon the man in the act of raping his daughter. And you know, I don't have a little girl. I have a son, but you know, I wouldn't know how to do, or you know, I want to know why the mother didn't speak out and why she wasn't on camera, and I want to know how she felt about the whole situation, because you know, I hear, yeah, the daddy came to help and the grandfather came to help, but I don't think I heard the mom playing too many times.